it's a very good initiative for students of UEL who have gone on to different walks of life to come back together again, spend time together, share insights.
You can meet people from all of the different years of university, those that are current and those that have been here a long time.
I met a few old friends and also made a few new friends as well. It has been amazing and it has been fun.
We are just enjoying the quiz, mix of geographic, food. So it was exciting and fun.
All of the questions were so tricky and so interesting that you get to know so many different things.
I've really enjoyed today. The quiz has been really fun.
Absolutely would recommend anybody who's been to this university to come along for the big weekend.
I think it's been amazing so far, and this session is like the cherry on the top. We've tried to put our imagination, our thoughts, our aspirations into work in this Lego exercise.
We've had a lot of talks, about health, about balancing work and life as well, so it's been quite impactful.
The sessions are really informative, high quality speakers and high quality entertainment as well.
I really enjoyed the panel talk. What I enjoyed most about it was having the diversity on the panel, but also the energy within the room and the interest in learning about health in all different ways and shapes and forms that it manifests.
It's almost like finding long lost relatives, to be honest. Just being able to go up to people and just say, when did you graduate? And there's almost like an instant bond. It's like a mini retreat, but on steroids.
It's quite interesting that different departments came together and have spent 2 days with each other.
I did planting flowers in a bottle. I've never had clue about it, and it's so good to know that I can actually do it. I can actually plant that.
This is my 3rd year. Participating in these activities actually is making us grow emotionally as well.
I find it very interesting and educative as well.
Express because I'm so grateful for this university.
I will make it a point of duty to never miss the big weekend.
I feel very proud to be an alumni of UEL. I'm very proud of what UEL's given me. It's changed the direction of my career. But I'm also really proud to be able to contribute back to student life at UEL.